Hey, what is up, you guys? What is up? What's up? Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be another hair tutorial. To be honest, I am not sure what I am going to do to my hair. I have no idea. I have one pack of hair is all I have to do what I can do. So we're going to make it do what it do somehow, some way. We're going to come up with something. This is the color hair I'm using. It is, I believe this is 427. I don't remember. It's I just had it left over. But let's go ahead and let's get into this. I'm going to go ahead and start. I don't know. I'm really thinking about doing, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about doing just a couple of like jumbo braids maybe. Or cornrows. I don't know if I can do cornrows or like cornroll it back into a cute bun or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try something. Let's see what we can do, y'all. Let's go.
Somewhere to get lost in your mind, looking like the spot, and we only meet up at night. Casually, where reality is in 20 million pieces. Won't you show me what you thinking? Your imagination, flying across the room, gliding over you. You let me touch in places that we can't see with the naked eye, making sure you satisfied, baby. 'Cause I've been
nothing official. Wanna get it on digital. I'm talking 4K, full color displays and chillin' peripheral. Oh, I'ma make you feel, I'ma make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Yeah, don't I make you feel, don't I make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh, I'ma make you feel, I'ma make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh, don't I make you feel, don't I make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Big on the lotto, feel like $1 million. Tell me your wildest dreaming, I'll make you feel like you got it. Your style, your American beauty, make LA feel like a movie. You love to sit back and watch it, gon' need that private viewing. Oh, see me, know me, touch me, hold me, go and make the most of it. This your moment, silver, golden, satin, roses, only for the one who's chosen. I'ma make you feel, I'ma make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Yeah, don't I make you feel, don't I make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh, I'ma make you feel, I'ma make you feel lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh, don't I make you feel, don't I make you feel lucky, lucky. Lost in translation, physical separation. Sometimes the bodies in different places. When we bring it all back, it's amazing. Cause we evolve, but the bond never changes, only strengthens. Understand even when it don't make sense. Only plan is to love you when I can. I'll meet you when you're ready, ready. When my angels come and tell me that it's time for you and I. When every single star comes to alignment, all in perfect timing. Till then I'll just ride this way into the unknown. Take our time, we'll find our way home. Ride this wave until we are sure. Even if it's miles, we can make it there. Even if it's miles, then we'll make it there. I'll meet you when you're ready. When the healing's been done and the cycle's all closed. When we feel that one and we're ready to open up. Fall back, fall back. And the angels come and tell me that it's time for you and I. When every single star comes to alignment, all in perfect timing. Till then I'll just ride this way into the unknown. Take our time, we'll find our way home. Ride this wave until we are sure. Even if it's miles, we can make it there. Even if it's miles,